How to send file on Viber. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can send file on Viber. Well, the process of sending file on Viber is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. Simply go ahead and open up Viber first. Once you have opened up Viber, you can head over to the particular chat that you would like to. So simply go ahead and tap on gallery icon here, the plus icon at the left hand side, and then you can see the file option. Tap on file and you can select from files and then go ahead and select the particular file to send. However, what if you're unable to send it? Well, if you're unable to send it, it might be due to particular reasons, such as it may be a glitch or a bug. In that case, you can go ahead and head into App Store or Play Store and check for if any update is available, and you want to make sure that you're updated to the latest version. In case you are still getting the issue, what you can do is you can upload the particular file to certain cloud servers such as Google Drive, and you can share the link as well. Now if you want to do it on Viber and you are still having the issue and you are unable to fix it, then you can try and reinstall the application. However, make sure to back up all your chats so that you don't lose it. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.